what we're trying to do here.
Oh my goodness, big old striper again.
We're gonna...
What is
I'm gonna
that?
tip
Oh, it's
the...
a catfish.
You caught a catfish?
Golly.
No wonder he's so strong. We didn't even have to use a minnow.
He's so strong. Okay, now this is what it's all about. What are you going to do to him? Can you put your fingers around his heel? Put your thing in his mouth and bite your finger off. Yes. No, he won't bite you. I mean, he'll bite you.
Oh. I can't see him.
And a boy now. Oh, lift him up there.
Good, nice. Slimy old thing.
Can't see you.
Quit, Pedro. What do you think?
Oh my goodness.
He's about three.
So, Brown, what'd you do to catch that fish?
Well, I'll tell you what, he bit just like a... Oh, he bit real subtle. That's the way those big ones are now, Roland.
We were going to look at the face of the catcher, but we figured the fish was more interesting. Look at those lips.
He's so slimy. He's getting slime. He's getting slime all over the place.
So what did you use? A minnow? Did you just wait? How long you been waiting for this?
Fishing for crappies. Specks, we call them up north. Oh, no, I was going to get a rag. I'm so slimy.
So what made you want to bring such a fella like this in the boat?
Well, you know, I didn't have much choice. The thing, he bit me. We're going to weigh him right here. He's almost 4 pounds.
Wow.
That's a nice fish right there.
How big do they get up north?
Oh, these babies will get. Well, there were some divers that went down by the dam.